For fun, I love sports, so baseball is a big one. I played softball growing up, so that's something that I love to do. I love to be outside, I like to go hiking, I love the beach, kind of a beach bum. My name is Alex and I'm the inspection scheduler. My day-to-day at work is answering all of the phone calls. I'm kind of the frontline person, so I'll be talking with all of the people that are calling in to get inspections done for their foundation, trying to ease their mind and getting them an appointment ready with one of our specialists. I try to get as much information as I can from the customers and help them as much as I can and schedule them with the right specialist that will be most beneficial to them. I think the most fulfilling part of my position is when people call me, they're kind of freaking out about their foundation. Of course, it's your home. You don't want bad news about your home. It's very important. And I can kind of ease their mind to let them know that this is what we do, we specialize in it, and we can definitely help them, and just hearing like the relief in their voice is the most fulfilling part. The most important thing that they experience with me is just good customer service and, you know, being friendly, trying to keep their mind at ease about what's going on with their home. I'm single, but I do have a boyfriend that I've been with for 4 years, so he is what I consider family. I have my father and my little sister. My dad is really important to me. He works really hard. He's 70 years old and he's still working. My little sister actually just became a school teacher here in the Temecula School District, so she's also very important to me. A fun fact about me is that I have my esthetician license and I have my own business on the side doing skincare, makeup, waxing, facials, stuff like that. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any foundation problems, please give us a call and we'll be happy to help you.